G'day.
สวัสดีค่ะ
So I'm a bit shorter today, sitting on a chair. Got tired of Tar complaining, oh, you can only see my head. And today we're doing a cooking video for you.
yes
So what are we cooking?
กะเพราหมูสับสปาเกตตี้
So a bit of Thai fusion. Kra Pao Moo Sap. So that's pork and basil
yes
and spaghetti, Italian spaghetti.
yeah easy
Yeah. Even I could do it.
Don't need to be no rich man. Everyone just needs a hand to hold on to.
Babe, you ready?
yes
All right, what are you going to do?
yeah I will tell you the ingredient we use
All right.
yes กระเพราบาซิลกระเพรา
All right.
10 baht we bought from the market we didn't steal from the garden the market we bought from the market 10 baht oh, a lot
And what else?
garlic กระเทียม garlic กระเทียม
Gratiam.
yes garlic
All right. Yep.
พริก
Brick.
yes chili พริก5 เม็ดif you know like spicy you just only 2 or 1 up to you
All right. So 5 chili.
5 chili พริก5 เม็ด
Brick hamet.
หมูสับ minced pork หมู
And what's the yellow sticker?
is promotion
Oh, you bought it on promotion.
yes they expire today we bought today
So we bought cheap. Good. Good
yes.
work, baby.
yeah 29 baht
And spaghetti.
spaghetti we don't use all just a half what do you think
All right.
half don't need to cook much
All right. So you're going to start and do the prep.
yep
All right. Do it.
do now we need salt and olive oil we put when we boil spaghetti
All right. So the salt and the olive oil, we put that in the water when we boil.
yes
Boil the water.
yeah
All right. Cool.
and when we fry about the when we fry กะเพรา when we fry กะเพราหมูสับ when we cook we need sugar just a little sugar and oysters
How do you say sugar in Thai?
น้ำตาล หวานน้ำตาล
Nam tan.
น้ำตาล
Nam tan.
yes sugar
Okay.
and oyster sauce oyster sauce น้ำมันหอย
Nam man hoi.
น้ำมันหอย
Okay.
fish sauce น้ำปลา
Nam pla.
yes น้ำ water ปลา fish
Keng
fish
mak.
sauce okay
Thank you, baby.
okay เรียบร้อย
So we've got the water on to boil, and that's the thing that takes the longest with this dish. The pork doesn't really take that long to cook, does it?
no so quick
And it's just the prep that takes a bit longer.
yes
I guess this whole process you can get done in about 20 to 30 minutes.
yeah I think so I'm not professional
No, this is not restaurant cooking, baby. This is home cooking.
okay
Just Thai style home cooking.
yes
So our water's still boiling, and we've got a deep dish fry pan because we will end up putting the pasta in with the pork and stirring it around later so that the pasta develops the flavours from the rest of the dish. So how much of that do you need? The whole punnet?
Yeah, it's okay, just a half. It's not much.
Just half a bowl. It smells beautiful. I love the smell of that basil.
A lot of the basil in Thailand, so I think Thai people they live in other countries they're gonna jealous because it's not easy to find the basil. Expensive also.
A lot of Thai people who live in European countries complain that they can't get the Thai basil.
Yeah, yes. Okay.
It's a great
กระเทียม
smell.
หนึ่งหัว
What was that?
กระเทียมหนึ่งหัวกระเทียม garlic หนึ่งวันหัวเห็ด Wait,
This one head of garlic. Okay.
กระเทียมหนึ่งหัว This one we call glebe. Separate one we call glebe.
Glebe. So a clove.
Glebe is not glebe.
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 The clove is called glebe. Why are you laughing at my Thai, man? Right, so the water's boiled. I'm going to use half of this. And obviously it just depends on how many people you're feeding as to how much you use. Just lay that in there. And wait till it's cooked a little bit. Then I'll just twist it and turn it so it all goes in. Simple. Cooking spaghetti is pretty easy. So you've got your mortar and pestle.
Yes.
So what are you putting into there?
Chili and garlic. Crush.
So crush.
Yes.
So you don't need to make a paste.
Yes. Just crush
Just crush it.
together.
So that's it. It literally took 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, you don't need a lot of pounding.
Yes.
And that's the consistency that you need. Still got big chunks in there.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's okay?
Good.
Okay.
We don't have a proper colander because we don't cook a lot of spaghetti. So we just leave the spaghetti to drain. And we're going to be putting that in with the rest of the dish into the fry pan, so I don't need to do anything more. We've got your cooked spaghetti, your Kra Pao,
กระเพราผัดกระเพรา
your Moo Sap,
Yes.
and your peck and garlic.
Garlic and chili.
So does it matter what oil you put in the pan? Just pull it, baby. I see you don't use the olive oil a lot, do you?
Yeah, I always use this Thai style.
So you're just being hyso now, use olive
This
oil.
one expensive. this special, so I need to this.
Oh, pissed.
This oil. Not much.
So special, Thai words pissed. I know, man, I've never cooked before. So what are you cooking first?
Chili and garlic.
Alright. And how long do you cook that for?
I'm not sure, 1 minute. Until you get smell.
Well, I can already smell it. So that's why Thai people cook outside. They love to have their kitchens outside because there are a lot of aromas that come from their cooking. True?
Yes. So, sting. Oh, because garlic
Aroma is a better word than stink, baby.
I'm not often cooking.
You know, there's one thing that you need to do.
What?
Relax.
Okay. I think it's nice. And next one, pork.
Add the moo sap.
Yeah, moo sap. Minced pork. I think this one.
So you just cook that till it has a little bit of colour.
Yeah, like pork cook.
Alright.
Yeah. And okay, I need oyster sauce.
So you just add that based on experience. There's no set amount that you put in there.
Yes. And there's
More moisture.
water, a little water.
Yep.
Because when we fry with spaghetti, it's not dry. You need some water. Right there.
So water is naam.
Naan, yeah, naan. And you need sugar. Just a little.
Alright.
Make flavor. And fish sauce. Fish sauce is salt. It's
Alright.
made salty. It's made salty.
So you're making the dish both salty and a little sweet, midnight.
Yeah. A little sugar is not sweet. It just make it more flavor. Okay, I think a little water is more. Can smell? Oh.
It smells better now. It's not as choking as it was before. It's toned down a bit.
Okay. When everything's cooked already, it's put basil in here. Basil doesn't need to cook long.
So really just wilting the vegetable.
Okay.
And then add the spaghetti.
I think too much here.
It's alright, I can have it for lunch tomorrow.
Okay.
So now you're just mixing all the ingredients just to incorporate the flavours over the spaghetti.
Yeah.
And here's our beautiful dish. And notice that Thais always use a fork and a spoon. Very rarely do they use a knife. So we'll see how this tastes. Yeah, so it doesn't take very long to cook. And it's fun to cook, especially if you do it with your partner. So we'll see how it tastes. The spaghetti's cooked very well, of course.
Because you cook.
The spaghetti's cooked well. The pork, very good. It is pet, so it is spicy. It is chili. There were 5 chilies in there, so if you don't like it hot, you can put 1 or 2 chilies in there. Smells great.
Okay, my turn to taste the cook. My cook.
Good luck, baby, because my mouth is still on fire.
It's alright. Pen it noise. It's okay. It's good for me. If you not cook well, don't blame me. Don't blame me if you not cook good.
there are very few ingredients. The cook is quite simple.
Yep.
And it's a very popular and very delicious dish. And it's nice to have pasta with it instead of having rice all the time. The Kra Pao Moo
ข้าวกะเพราหมูสับ
is very popular in Thailand.
Yes.
And it's a lot of Thais fallback dish. If they can't think of anything to order when they're in the restaurant, they'll order that.
Yes.
Have you finished speaking now, baby?
อร่อย
What do you think, Dun Dun? Do you want some?
She want to pay.
Thanks for watching. You're so Jai. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, click like, and if you loved it, subscribe. Take care.